Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. Today in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about to the another real-time scenario in Lightning Web Components. So here we have the one of the lifecycle hook render callback. How it is works to the render callback lifecycle hook in the Lightning Web Component. So here we have the scenario. We have to display latest created records with the help of the rendering callback. Without refreshing the page, we are going to display the data. Latest created records. So let's see how we are going to implement. So with the help of the rendered callback. So coming to the Visual Studio. So first of all, we are going to create one Apex class. So here Apex class, we are getting to the latest created case record. So that's why here we are going to take the case records controller. So it's creating the Apex class. We are getting to the latest created 5 records to display in the Lightning Web Component. So how we are going to fetch the latest created records? We can write a query in the Apex class. So it's creating the it's creating the Apex class. So now here we are going to take the example. So at the rate aura enabled get case records. So here writing the list method. So here we are going to get it to the list of the cases. C list equals to select id comma case number comma origin comma status from case. So here order by created date descending limit 5 records. Now we are going to return to these records. So here return C list. Here instead of the string we are going to give to the list of the case. Why? Because means we are returning to the list of the case records. So now come to the next. So here we are going to create the, so we are deploying the first this before creating to the Lightning Web Component. So deploy to the source arc. So it's deploying to the source arc. Now once it is deployed, we are going to create the Lightning Web Component. It is successfully deployed. So now we are going to create the Lightning Web Component. So here case records rendered callback. Okay, this is the our LWC component name. So first we are going to import to the our Apex class. So import get case records. Just we have created a case records controller, our method name. So save this. Now here we are going to get to the our record. So how we are going to get to the latest created record? So here I am taking the one method get case data. This is the method name. In this method name, imperatively we are going to get it now case records. What we are giving to the here same name. So it is the non-parameterized method. So directly we can give to the like this. So then result. So here we are going to display the data And here we have the catch method. In this catch, we are going to capture the any errors. So just we can write the console log dot error block. Simply that is. So our Apex class returned to the list of the cases, right? So we have to hold the list of the cases. So here case result, I'm taking the here. So here we have to define the one property. That property name is the case result. So here case result equals to result. What is written by the Apex class? That is the we are going to storing to this. Now we are going to call to this method in the rendered callback with the regular intervals to we can get and display the latest data. So here rendered callback. So here we are going to write to the here. Our method name is the this dot get to case data. So now we are going to refresh and display the data time to the this record, right? So that's why here with the regular intervals. So here we have to the set interval. So here in this we are coding to the writing to the here. So interval is the I'm giving to the 5 seconds. So that is the 5000. So regular interval we are going to writing the like this. Save and we are calling to this method to the here. Now come to the HTML. We have to display the data. So we have to display the data with for each. So lightning code title equals to case records. So in this, I'm taking to the one table with the border equals to one table row. So table headers. So here case number, status, and origin. Now we have to display the list of the data. So here we are going to use by the template for each. So here our result is the stored into the case result. So here tr. So here we have the for item we have to store it, right? For item crec. So here key equals to crec dot id td crec dot case number crec dot status td crec dot origin. So save. We have to display the list of the records where we are getting to the from the database. So now we have to deploy to this. Before deploying to the, we need to set it by the targets. So we are set by the targets. We are deploying to this as well. Okay. So it's deploying successfully. Now come to the our Salesforce org. Already I created one Lightning app builder. In this page, we are going to add it to the our component. So click on edit. So now here we are going to add it by the our Lightning component. So our component name is the what we have created, case record rendered callback. Okay. So case record render callback. So we are added to the here. So click on save. So back to the page. Now by default, it's displaying the 5 records on the load after 5 seconds, right? After 5 seconds, it's loading to the records. It's display the latest created 5 records. Now I'm going to create the one more new case record. So you have to careful to observe. I'm not refreshing to the here. Automatically displayed by the latest created record. So it is the current one is the 26. We can see the which one we are creating the new case record. So now I'm creating one new case record here. So case status is working and case origin I'm giving to the email. So working and email these two and case number might be we can check it which will get into the case number. It is auto generated number, right? So now click on to the save. So newly created case number is the 1038. See here, I am not refreshing the page any, automatically displayed by the latest data. If you are deleting this record, you have to observe. I am deleting this record. Again here, what are the database in the latest created? That records will appear, right? Now I am going to create the one more case. Escalated and web, these two combinations. Now click on the save. 39 is the latest created record. See here, automatically appear by the latest created record. So like this, without rendering to the page, automatically re-rendering the page and to display the latest created records with the help of the rendered callback. Actually, we are going to refresh by the manually, right? Without manually refreshing the data, it is automatically rendered and to display the latest created records. Okay, so here we have the code. So we have written to the code to the get the data. We are set the interval for the 5 seconds. Automatically called to the from the database to get the latest created records and displayed into the our UI. So this is the output. I hope to it is clear understanding how it is work to the rendering callback in the real time, which scenarios we are working, how it is works to the render callback. Stay tuned for the more real time scenarios. Thank you.